All right. Good job. Shaving all like Daddy?
What's in here?
What are you doing?
A shave.
Shaving?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's get it off. Come over here. And butter. Ooh. Get a little. Ooh. Okay, now we're gonna get the towel. All right, then we're gonna get some aftershave, right? Come here. Okay, let's put the aftershave on. Come here.